Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video today, this episode of Trust, I'm talking about how to make your partner trust you again when you hurt them. Yes, the previous video was about how to rebuild trust for your partner back when they hurt you, and in this one it's how to make your partner trust you again when you are the one who hurt them, who betrayed them. Yes, if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below and the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. Without further ado, let's get into the video. You messed up. Maybe you lied or hurt your partner, or you withheld information that you thought would hurt them, or you cheated, or whatever you did. No matter what happened, you know that you caused them pain, and you feel terrible about it. You may feel like you would do anything to show them that they can trust you again. First, it's important to understand that the broken trust may be beyond repair. But if you both want to work on repairing your relationship, there are a few helpful steps that you can take. Step number 1, consider why you did it. Before you embark on the process of rebuilding trust, you'll first want to check in with yourself, your inner self. You'll first understand and you'll find out why you did what you did. Or was it just a mistake? Ask yourself. Understanding the motives behind your behavior can sometimes be difficult, but it's a crucial part if you want to get the other person to trust you again. Number 2, apologize sincerely. Now, if you lied, cheated, betrayed, or otherwise damaged your partner's faith in you, a genuine apology is a good way to start making amends. It's very important to acknowledge that you made a mistake. One thing you should remember is that this apology isn't the time for you to begin justifying why you did what you did. If some factors influenced your actions and the situation, you always share this with your partner after apologizing and owning your part in the situation. Number 3, be specific. When you apologize, be specific and show that what you did was wrong. Use I statements. I did this. I am this, I statements to avoid putting the blame on your partner. For example, instead of saying I am sorry I hurt you, you can say I am sorry I lied to you about where I was going. I know I should have told you the truth, and I deeply regret causing you pain. I want you to know that I'll never do it again. Now, make sure you follow it up by telling your partner how you intend to avoid making the same mistake again. If you are not sure about what they need from you to work on the relationship, you can ask. Just make sure you are ready and willing to accept their answer. You are ready and willing to actively listen to their answer. Next, give your partner time. Now, even if you are ready to apologize, talk about what happened and begin working through things. Your partner may not feel ready yet. It can take time to come to terms with a betrayal or broken trust. People process things in different ways. Your partner might want to talk right away or not, but they also might need days or weeks before they can address the issue with you. Avoid pressurizing them to have the discussion before they are ready. Apologize and let your partner know that you are ready to move on when they are. If you are struggling in the meantime, consider talking to a counselor who can offer unbiased supportive guidelines. You can go to noraarake.com/booking to book your one-on-one counseling appointment. Next, let their needs guide you. Your partner may need space and time before they can address what happened, and often this might involve physical space. This may seem difficult to face, but respecting your partner's decisions, your partner's needs at this time, your partner's boundaries can go a long way towards showing them that they can depend on you again. Your partner may want more transparency and openness from you in the future. Or communication. This is common after betrayal of trust. You may even willingly share your phone or your computer with your partner to prove your honesty. But if you made some progress in repairing your relationship and your partner continues to monitor your activities and ways and communication with other people, then talking to a couples counselor can help. That's where you visit noraarake.com/booking and make an appointment to talk to a qualified counselor. Commit to clear communication. Immediately after you've broken trust, you'll want to honestly answer your partner's questions and commit to being completely open with them in the future. Here, you need to reach a mutual understanding of what good communication looks like. When you want your partner to trust you again, be more open, be more transparent, be more honest. Don't keep things from her or from him. Don't beat around the bush. Say everything the way it is. Don't keep secrets from your partner. Don't hold back anything from your partner. Let everything out, because this is the time you have to avoid future occurrences, to avoid the same thing repeating itself in the future. If you leave out a small detail, it might come up in the future and your partner will start again to question whether they are supposed to trust you or not. And if it's done once and the second time, it makes it more difficult for your partner to trust you again. Be more available, be more loving, be understanding. Put yourself in your partner's shoes. Understand how they feel, how they react the way they do, if you want to get them to trust you again. So if you are working on repairing things and getting your partner to trust you again, these are the steps to follow. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you've liked it. Give it a thumbs up and share it. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you are the first to know. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye.